Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey and I'm excited to share with you today a new stamp set and suite that's in the annual catalog. I'm going to show you the picture of what it looks like because now we can show you the inside of the catalog, which is so much fun. So it's the Nature Poem Suite, and I love this suite because I feel like it can be geared toward springtime or fall time, and you kind of can use it either direction. So I wanted to show you a little bit of what's in it. You have obviously the very cute stamp set here. My very favorite piece in this stamp set is this like wood block right here. I think that's so cute and fun to stamp with. But you have all sorts of leaves and some really cute sayings and trees. So fun. And then it also has coordinating framelits that go with it. I'll bring those in so you can see. So there's 12 framelits here, and some of them cut out images and some of them give texture to paper, which is really fun. So you have a lot of different variety in the framelits to use. There's also paper that comes in this suite. This is so cute, and it's like really almost like soothing paper. I don't know if that even makes sense to you, but the colors and the designs, I feel like it's just very calming, I guess. So you have the one side that is lots of leaf textures, and then the other side is more just plain textures and such cute colors. You have our Blackberry Bliss, Cajun Craze, Grapefruit Grove, Mint Macaron, Petal Pink, Rich Razzleberry, Soft Suede, Tranquil Tide, and Whisper White. So such pretty colors. They go so well together, and it's such a fun stamp set to work with. So let me bring in some cards and show you some ideas that we've come up with this suite. So Jill did this one, and like I said, I love this like wood block in here. And she cut this out and then cut another one out with the Early Espresso stamped on the back, so that you have like that two-toned look. So I thought that was really cute. And then here on this one, you can see how those leaves were textured with the framelits in there. So cute. Next, this is a cute one, cute layered look. One with just the block stamped in the background. And I didn't mention this before, but we have this Nature's Twine that comes in the suite as well, and you have Blackberry Bliss, Grapefruit Grove, Mint Macaron, and Soft Suede colors there. So, and this one you can see that cute tree that's in that you can cut out with the framelits. So fun. So the framelits are an awesome part of this suite, but I wanted to show you a card that I stamped not using the framelits, so you can use the stamp set in different ways. So I wanted to just stamp the image first, and then I'll bring in the full card and show you. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Tranquil Tide stamp pad and these just the pine tree stamps. And I'm just going to take them and just stamp just kind of across. And I'm going to do that big one on the edge. And then I'm going to come in with my single one and just put it right in between. Just like that. So very simple, very easy. And then I'm going to bring in my Soft Suede. I'm going to just take my aqua painter and I'm going to pick up a little bit of color. And I'm just going to give some ground here. I have a little bit more water than I want, so I'm just going to dab that off. And just kind of wash that across so that you get some ground that the trees are sitting on. Just like that. And then I'm going to come in with a saying and Mint Macaron, one of my very favorite colors. And I loved this saying, be strong, be happy, be you. And just stamp that right there. So simple, and what did that take me? Like a minute, 2 minutes to do? So fast. So let me bring in the full card and I can show you how it looks finished. So I just put some Mint Macaron and Soft Suede on the back to back it and added some linen thread on there to give a little detail. And such a simple and easy card and so quick to do, but look how cute. Let me bring in another one that we did, and this one also isn't using the framelits. Again with the pine trees. You are wonderful. So cute and so easy that you can do with just the stamp pad or the stamp set in this suite. So fun. I've loved this suite so much, and I hope that you can get it and enjoy it too. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know below. And if you're interested in making a purchase, please visit us at stampinjill.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.